When you're out on the tracks, when communication becomes essential, that's why we use Uniden. I've got Mitch over there, he's cutting the firewood for tonight's fire. And then way down there, about 2 or 3 k's away, I've got Simon catching a fish for dinner. So I've set up camp and I'm just waiting for those guys to get back. Let's check what they're up to. Hey Mitch.
How's that firewood going?
Yeah mate, she's coming along. How's Simon doing with that fish?
Yeah, fish on, I think. Yeah, dinner's on.
When you're remote, communication is essential. That's why we trust Uniden. And we got fish on the menu tonight.